Back here. You want to steal my job? Okay, well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome aboard the Weiser Railroad and the Edison locomotive. Now, for the safety of our younger riders, we do ask that the adults with them place themselves on the outside of the road. If that is not practical, please make sure that they are held or are easily within your reach. Thank you. As we get ready to leave the Smith Creek station, let's wave goodbye to Sue. She's our station master here today. And I'll remind everyone that while the trains are in motion, please remain seated, keeping your hands, legs, arms, feet, head, and toes inside the train at all times. And please, no eating, drinking, or smoking while on the train. As we roll along, we're now coming into the Railroad Junction District here at Greenfield Village. And the first building we're going to see here is the Smith Creek Depot. This was built in 1858 and was located in the small fishing town of Smith Creek. That's about 8.5 miles southwest of Port Huron. And this depot was located on the Grand Trunk line that ran between Port Huron and Detroit. Now this area across the street from us is where we have all of the motor vehicles from 1890 forward up to 1921. Looks like some of them are out on the road right now. There's going to be a wonderful headlight drive down Main Street later tonight. And this is the Detroit Toledo and Milwaukee Roundhouse that we're passing right now. This is where we service and maintain our steam locomotives and the roller. And he'll be taking over the microphone the next time we go around the village. Working farm district. We have a farm that has about 7.5 acres of area that we plow and plant every year. This year we grew and we got a small orchard. And these apples should be getting ripe for the picking here pretty soon. I can see an apple pie in my future. The birthplace of Harvey Firestone, who went on to create the Firestone Tire and Rubber Company in 1900. He and Henry Ford were good friends during their lifetimes. In fact, many a Ford vehicle came off the assembly line with Firestone tires. And we're now heading up to Firestone Station. This is by the main entrance to Greenfield Village. And we'll be making a stop here for about 6 to 8 minutes. And you'll be able to exit on the right-hand side of the train, but I ask that you please remain seated until you hear the train whistle. That will indicate that the engineer has applied the air brakes and it's safe to make your exit on the right-hand side.
Sit down, honey. Sit down. Sit down.
All right, let's remain seated for just a moment longer.
That's it. It's over.
And there it is.